Hi, my name is Musa Friday. I'm the founder of Besko-Osha Farms. In today's video, I'll be talking about inbreeding in pig farming. But before I talk about inbreeding pig farming, there's something important I would like to talk about first, which is introducing of new pigs or new winners into a family. Like now, these are families. I just brought this one yesterday. I just brought this one yesterday. These are all families, and pigs has two um two powerful features. Number one is family, then number two is smell. Pigs have the ability to smell food from afar, and they also have ability to smell which of the pigs is not their family. Like this one now, it's not part of their family. You understand? So when I brought this one yesterday, what they were doing to this one was that they started biting, beating this one. As you can see, look at the ear, look at the ear, look. They've not allowed this one to eat since yesterday up to now because this one is not their part of their family. So now, how do we introduce this one into this family so that they will allow this one to start eating and be among the family? You understand? So if you follow this video, if you watch the video to the end, you're going to see what we're going to do. So this is what I'm going to do. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need an NG oil. This is an NG oil. So we're going to bath all of them. We're going to bath all of them. You understand? Then use this engine oil to rub them as a cream so that it will kill their smell. You understand? So they'll be able to perceive the smell of the one that we just introduced. So when we bring all of them back to the pen, it will be as if they are all together. So they now this one will start eating. You understand? So what we're going to do next is we're going to wash everywhere here. We'll wash them, then rub this engine oil to them to kill their smell. So they will not be able to perceive the smell of that one. So they will allow this one to start feeling among the family. Okay, so we're about to start the practical now. So this is what we're going to do. Like I said, now we're going to use this engine oil to kill their smell, so that it will allow that one to feel among the family. So if you have watched to this level, please, I would like you to like this video, share this video, so that other people can see and learn also too. And if there's anything that you don't understand, you can drop a comment inside the comment. Drop a comment inside the comment section so that I'll be able to answer your questions. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to wash them first, like I said. We are bringing the water. So we're going to wash all of them. Yeah. Okay, now we are done washing the pen out. Also wash the bath them, as you can see. So we want to apply the engine oil to them now, so that, like we said now, the engine oil will kill the smell. You understand? Kill the smell. So you see that you go down to something is wrong. So the engine oil is also good for their body. So like I said now, the oil is also good for guys, we are done applying the engine oil to them. As you can see, they are all shiny right now. They cannot perceive anything apart from the engine oil, so they cannot even know that if this one is not part of their family, because they are not smelling anything right now. That is the sense of we applying engine oil. And engine oil also is also good for their body. It kills any what's it called, tick, or any ants or anything that might affect their skin. It also makes their skin to shine. As you can see, they are now shining now in pig family, there's what we call inbreeding. Inbreeding is breeding a related family or siblings. You understand? So in this family now, I don't want inbreeding. That's why I introduced another male from outside. You understand? So when you practice inbreeding or when you allow inbreeding in your family, the offspring that they will produce will not be healthy. You understand? It's not say they will not produce, they will produce, but the piglet will not be head because their immune will not be strong because they are from the same family. So now we don't want inbreeding in this family. That's why we introduce another pig from different family. You understand? So the only way we could introduce this one to this family is for me to use this engine oil to keep their smell, so they will not perceive the smell that this one is not part of their family. And so this is the way you introduce a new piglet or a new winners into a family. So if not start following me, please follow my page, like my page, share this video, like this video, and if there's anything that you don't understand, please put in the comment section. I will reply your message. Once again, my name is Musa Friday. I'm the founder of Besko-Osha Farms. Thank you.